Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready, park safely, set the parking brake, and switch the ignition to accessory so electronics power up without starting the engine. Grab an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner and plug it into the under-dash connector. Once connected, power the scanner and let it communicate with your car's computer. You're doing this to read stored trouble codes that explain why the check engine light came on. Once the scanner lists codes, write them down and take a photo for reference before you proceed to investigate causes. With codes in hand, look up their plain language meaning and prioritize fixes that are quick and low cost. Start with the easy stuff. Tighten or replace a loose gas cap, inspect the air filter and intake hoses, and visually check wiring and vacuum lines for cracks. If codes point to sensors, oxygen, MAF, or MAP, replace or clean them per manufacturer recommendations. You're aiming to resolve the root cause. Clearing the light without repairing will only let it come back. Make repairs, then rescan to confirm code resolution. Once repairs are complete, use the scanner's erase function to clear stored trouble codes, but don't assume it's fixed. Start the engine and complete a drive cycle to allow readiness monitors to run. You should watch live data for stable sensor readings and proper fuel trims while driving varied conditions for about 10-20 minutes. If the check engine light returns, retrace steps using the original and new codes. One key troubleshooting tip: prioritize persistent codes and replace the most failure-prone sensor indicated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.